Hey everybody, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. And today I'm going to talk about why large cap stocks absolutely suck and small cap stocks absolutely rock. So, in a nutshell, large cap stocks don't move very much. And the sort of traditional wisdom on Wall Street or in trading is, small cap stocks are really volatile. And I'm going to prove that wrong, but I'm also going to show you why large cap stocks completely suck. And here's a good example. You can pick, I've got this sort of long term folio collection down here, watch list, should I say. And, you know, long term buy and hold doesn't really work. It's really a sucky approach to trading, in my not so humble opinion. For example, let's say I bought into NVDA at on the 1st of August last year, and I wait, um, you know, and 6 months later, 116 in the middle here, 116 trading days, which is about 6 months, I guess, and I'm 0% up. And why would you do that? And you're just sort of hoping, oh, maybe someday it will go above the price that I bought. That's 6 months, right? August, September, October, November, December, January. 6 months of holding a shithouse stock at $180. And it's just totally crap. Um, and yes, you can buy, if you're some kind of wizard and you manage to buy the dip down here, you miraculously make, 72% in, 73 days. And that's not bad. But do you want to wait all that time, April, May, June, July? You want to wait all that time to make 70%? Or what about if you bought NVIDIA at, 112 in May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. You're holding it all that time, almost a year for nothing. So, um, and they say that small caps are volatile. How's Tesla? I actually traded this. I did quite well. This is actually how I got a recent great. My whole strategy a while back was just to buy and hold Tesla forever. I bought it at 127, and it's just doing this and up and down and all the way down here. So at 127 in the 20th of Jan 23 and the 20th of Jan 24, it's pretty much the same price. And horrible stock. I mean, I love Elon and all the things that he's achieved, but what a shitty fucking stock. It's terrible. And I mean, I should have sold out here, but I sold out way down here. Unfortunately, it was a 100% profit trade, but I only had to wait about 3 years for it before I knew any better, and then it just tanked and did, you know, 19th of Feb 25. And it finally came back, 6 or 7 months later for a fucking shit stock, and now it's in this consolidation period. So anyway, I think you get my point. You can pretty much pick anything, Palantir, August, 6 months later, done nothing. And that 6 month time period is not just your money doing nothing, it's you losing money because your money could be invested in profitable trades. And let's look at the watch list of watchings, and we're only putting in, we're only ever putting around 3% of our total assets, our total capital into any one trade, right? This is how you survive long term in the trading market. So you can get wiped out on a trade. It's very rare, but you can get wiped out on a trade if it gaps down, say, 30, 40, 50% way past your stop gap. And you lose all of that 3%, but you're still at 97% of your total capital. And You know, you can get incredible returns from small caps. 18th of December, 18 bars, 18 trading. This is like 3 weeks. And you can double your money in 3 weeks. So why would you be trading large caps? It just doesn't make any sense at all. So trade the small caps. Invest wisely. Never, ever, ever invest more than 3% of your entire capital in any one trade. I do the exploratory entries of maybe just $1,000. As you know, my folio is around 80,000, soon to be much more, I hope. And I invested in exploratory maybe $1,000, around 1% of my entire folio into one trade. And then if it acts in a positive way, then I invest the rest, the 2%, and it comes up to around 2,400 USD. So that's what I do. And I don't invest in large caps because they totally suck. And Microsoft is such a great. I mean, just look at it. That's volatility, man. That's like it collapsing. How much has it collapsed by in the short space? Double top there, right up at 554. And where's it? How long is it taking to come down? Let's call it 1st of August or November, December, Jan. So 2 months it's collapsed 20%. It's broken through all the major moving averages. What a pile of shit that is. I wouldn't touch it with a goddamn barge pole. And so that's it. That's how you make money in the stock market. And so it's the part of the 5-step process that I am the owner of. We're looking for sleeping giants, and join me for more next time. So stick with the small caps. It's where the money is. Investing is not complex. Investing is very simple. Subscribe for more, and peace and love, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.